Gotta get a status chat. Is it like I need to know like the lag? If it's too bad, then I just will have to not stream. But I'm hooked up on my hotspot right now. Okay. And I turned down my bitrate really low. And Charter can't have a tech come out till effing Wednesday. I called AT&T, they're closed, so they didn't want my business. So what am I supposed to do? Like, it's like if you can get your stuff installed before Wednesday, then you'll have my business. That's what I want. But I don't know if I just don't know, man. Like, I'm just done with this area because it's just like no one cares. No one uses upload speed. Everyone is like 50 plus years old in my neighborhood, and no one even knows if there's a problem with upload speed except me. And they're like, no demand. Who cares about that guy? Yeah, like 480p. Yeah, you might have to. I don't know. I'm at 3,000 kilobytes per second. That's all I can do on this. So still waiting for like updates on like if it works or not, if it's working or not. Okay. I don't know if we're live or not. I mean, I know I'm live. I just can't tell if no, I'm not even on my internet anymore. You gotta understand. Like I'm like on my like Wi-Fi. Like I'm on my hotspot, dude. Slight lag. You just missed it, Joe. You literally missed it. So yeah, Joe, man, you missed it, dude. Okay. It looked like this. This was a My God. Yeah, Mike's muted. Said thanks to Jeremy S. Good. Yeah, said good on him. Right, Jeremy S. Yeah, it was like showing this. It's like, yeah, we broke the descending broadening wedge resistance. You broke out, man. Oh, someone's calling me. It's an 800 number. Who is it? Hello? Oh, follow up. Ooh, ooh, they want to do a survey. Oh, let's do a survey, chat.
Thank you for your participation. Let's begin. Did the agent you spoke with today offer a satisfactory solution to your reason for calling? Press 1 for yes or 2 for no. Next, if given the opportunity, would you be happy to speak with this agent on your next call? Press 1 for yes or 2 for no. Now, using a 5-point scale, where 5 is very satisfied and 1 is very dissatisfied, how satisfied were you with the professionalism displayed by the agent? Just to confirm, you selected 1, which indicates a rating of very dissatisfied. If this is correct, please press 1. To change your answer, please press 2. Next, using the same 5-point scale, how satisfied were you with the agent's knowledge? Just to confirm, you selected 1, which indicates a rating of very dissatisfied. If this is correct, please press 1. To change your answer, please press 2. Lastly, using a 5-point scale, where 5 is very easy and 1 is very difficult, how would you rate the level of effort that you had to put forth to resolve your reason for calling?
Wait, what was it? That means I had to put in a lot of effort. So what does that mean? That's different.
Sorry, using a 5-point scale, where 5 is very easy and 1 is very difficult, how would you rate the level of effort that you had to put forth to resolve your reason for calling?
Okay, just making sure, dude. Sometimes they'll try to trick you, dude. Try to trick me into not typing 1.
Just to confirm, you selected 1, which indicates a rating of very difficult. If this is correct, please press 1. To change your answer, please press 2. Thank you. If you would like to record a message providing suggestions on how the agent could have better handled your call today, please press 1. Otherwise, press 2 to end the survey. Spectrum values your business and thanks you for your feedback.
There you have it, chat. The audacity these peasants had to be calling me, man, after they didn't resolve my problem. They won't have a tech out till Wednesday. And I'm like, hey, you know, like, kind of need my internet, you know, it's like literally important. But nah, dude. No way. Anyway, so interrupted by them, but Bitcoin doing great, man. Nice break to the upside. The accumulation continues. We bounced, man. All right, so you got to think, hey, we've hit a 38% retrace from the low, which we've done. We already hit a 50% retrace. Reversed our price action, only to make higher lows, and now we're running again. So 10,566 is a fib node, and that's why maybe we're stalling. We're also no for the small XABCD. We hit a PCZ, the Gartley, and so yeah, it might pull back, might sell off, but in time you could see guys, man. All right, what's the measured move, chat? What is the measured move of descending broadening wedge? Who's going to be the first to answer this correct? It's very easy, and if you know it, you know it. If you don't, you're not going to get the answer right. What is the measured move of a descending broadening wedge? Let's go, dude. Waiting on you. Okay. So you checked 1, the worst. Are you sure? Oh yeah, dude. I'm real sure about it. Nah, I'm using Spectrum. I was gonna change to AT&T. I already called them, but their robots suck just as bad. Everyone has robots now. It's ridiculous, dude. I can't upgrade my internet, man. Like, I live somewhere where no one cares about internet. Like, people use the internet here for cats and memes, like most places, but it's just, there's no urgency. There's no need for good upload speed where I live. Not in a neighborhood with like 50 plus individuals making up the entirety of the demographic. So, you know, it doesn't matter if my neighbor is streaming porn or not. It has nothing to do with that. Especially since I don't even have my Wi-Fi hooked up. It's just direct connected. I don't even have direct connect. I am literally streaming on a secured Wi-Fi hotspot right now. F? Really? Yep. F's in the chat. Many F's in the chat. All right. Well, but hey, what's the answer though? Who's answering, dudes? Anyone? I can't like change my everything to 720p. It screws a whole stream up. I can't do it. I just won't do it. I'm not gonna do it. Where's the answer, man? Top of the pattern. Where it started, Enigma says. I think that's the first answer. Yes. Okay, so the winner is Enigma. The measured move of a descending broadening wedge breakout is where the pattern started. That'd be 12,334 on Bitstamp. Okay, so right up there. And that's it'll take a while if it's going to happen, but Mother of God, can you not see a still double bottom? Potential double bottom with the neckline here at 10.9. All right, many things going on. You could say double bottom. Look, that's the beauty of trading, man. Technical analysis is that you see like a descending broadening wedge breakout, but you also see a potential double bottom. And let's mess with the measure move of the double bottom. What would it look like? From the low point to the high point of the pattern, from the breakout, where does it push you? All right, just a little bit lower than the descending broadening wedge measure move, but very similar prices, right? You're talking 12,081 and 12,300. Pretty close, man. These are target areas for people that are long. All right. And that's it, man. Beautiful. Yeah, Bradford's saying there's a triple MACD bullish divergence on the 4 hour for Ethereum Connect. Well, Ethereum Connect, add that into the basket or the bucket, the mixing bowl, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, dude, look where we are, man. We had to break to the upsides. Trying so freaking hard to get up there, man. You just haven't quite broken it yet. Go to the daily. Take a look. And see the divergence, man. Still just kind of going sideways a little bit, but you're trying to break with Bitcoin 192.17 currently. All right. This one was talked about in the earlier stream before everything went to crap. Yeah, I know y'all got Google Fiber in Huntsville, man, but moving to Huntsville, that's just what? Staying where I live in Birmingham, right? I'm just like over it too. Like, look, what? So look, man, critical support from September 2018, the exact same analysis on log scale. You fell out of the uptrend barely, and when you barely fell out of the uptrend, you're holding support with bullish divergence on both oscillators on a daily time scale, but also on a freaking 4 hour time scale. You're showing it. And you're showing it not just on the MACD, also the RSI. You've got so many stupid coinciding variables on Ethereum right now. I mean, like crazy amounts, dude. Crazy, crazy amounts. So higher probability Ethereum would break to the upside, not downside, even though we know it very well could break the downside if Bitcoin wanted to dump. Okay. Thanks, Boston Alpha, man. Yeah, it sucks, dude. It's like just demoralizing because it's like it just weighs on you. It like beats you down. It's like I am a rock, but the tech problems, the internet problems are like it's like the river, dude. And the river is slowly over time just eroding my soul My patience, everything, dude. Okay? It's making me lose it. I'm being tested. The Lord's testing me, man. Alright. Thanks for the 300 people here. You found me. I don't even know. I'm sure, like, notifications are probably destroyed after how many times I've been online, offline the past hour. Terrible. That's where the harmonics near completion enigma? What you talking about, dudes? Hey, man, you know what? You know, I'm kind of seeing something right now, and maybe I'm crazy. Maybe I'm real crazy. Yeah, no, too shallow. Let's take it out of log. See if we can get something. Yeah, I think it's too shallow of a retrace for any kind of harmonic X, A, B. Yeah, see, it's only a 30% retrace. I don't think it's deep, not near deep enough for a pattern. We could have said it could have been some sort of right, cipher, but again, too shallow of a retrace at B, so it's not valid. I don't think. Okay, but either way, man, the wave X, A, B, C, D would line up with all the other stuff. It's coinciding, right? Got better. Yeah, dude, it's like LTE, man. I'm just dealing with LTE, so. Wait, are people complaining that Bitcoin hasn't gone up enough? I mean, dude, welcome to the world of Bitcoin. All right. So, let's go to ADA, man. I gotta go back to daily for that. Look what happened, man. Look what's occurred. We had a breakout. We've kind of had yeah, we definitely broke out, man. I love looking at it like this. Look, you had an impulse up, you had a rising wedge pattern, you had bearish divergence on both oscillators, kappa, right? All right, impulse down, falling wedge, two converging down sloping trend lines with all the bullish divergence in the world. Look, all this tail end divergence that occurred, low, the lower low, the same low, and you just kept making higher freaking levels of relative strength. That's just you just continuously diverging in a bullish manner. And so here we are trying to break back to the upside, trying to break above this critical resistance of 5.072 cents or so, and the sky could be the limit if this is it, man. This we almost hit. I mean, like, we were, I don't even know how much, like, dude, it's like nothing. Like, you can't even, it's infinitesimal amounts. It wicked down to pretty much hit a 786. And now here we are trying to break the reversal, right? Potential reversal little pattern, the consolidation after the impulse, which was down sloping, which is improper. And, you know, around to the upside, we could go much higher. I mean, 382 looking for 6.544 cents, you know, 8.1 cents, say all the way up. We could start seeing 9 cents. If this market really wants to turn around, dude, this pattern is larger than your face, man. This pattern has been in development since December of 2018. We're talking like, what, man? Like 8 months? 9 months almost? 9-month pattern? Harmonic? Nearing the end? Nearing the pattern completion zone? Wow. Are alts ready? Remember, that was the discussion we had. What's up, Dylan, man? Thanks for watching. How do you get business speed internet? Yeah, I know, probably. I mean, dude, it only goes up a little bit more, and it's not even about that then. I mean, they'll just pay for the service. I don't know, man. It's just, again, I am the rock. The tech problems are the river, and it's slowly eroding me, okay? Stream cutting every 20 seconds. See you, man. So just, yeah, everyone, like, if you're on 1080, just go to 720, okay? That's all I can tell you. done, man. It's done. Pattern's complete, right? 60-minute chart. We hit the 786 retrace, and once we hit it, here we are. We hit 10,677. Now we're at 10,443 right now. Okay, there was 60-minute bullish divergence from a low to another low that was the exact same Class B bullish divergence. It was nice, man. So Gilroy, Master Eagle, wash your gun. No, Brett. Do wild swings make... Oh my god. 0 kilobytes now, man. Yeah, it is cutting out, man. There's nothing I can do. I think it's just because I'm pulling so much data that it just can't handle it, man. Like, it just is like, oh, I can't even do it, man. Maybe it's Wiki, man. I don't know. Maybe they're just downvoting because the stream quality is trash now because of internet. I'm just doing the best I can. There's nothing I can do. I can just not stream, I guess. Just... Yeah, probably Dan, man. Probably, but I mean, I guess I could turn it off, but I think it's still probably not going to do much. What are Ethereums? What are ETHs? Wash your gun. Oh, I like Ethereums, man. I like Ethereum. That is in a downtrend. It's been in a downtrend since April or something. Ethereum at least is in an uptrend, like a long-term uptrend, and it just barely broken out of its channel. Geometrical breakout, but not like a lower low, you know. So going back to the daily. Yeah, here we are, man. Just a whole bunch of, you know, stonewalling going on at this very critical support back from May of 2018, man. Very, very important. 8 touches, I believe. Yeah, 8 touches. 8 different days since the 14th. We have failed to break below this. And are trying to rally, but we've already had a pretty decent pullback, but maybe that's just because other people are looking at this harmonic too, right? People would take shorts at a 786 of a bearish Gartley, man, right? And they could sell off and retrace, but you would think that after it retraces or whatever, 50% of the way, 61% of the way, it would then rally to the upside again, potentially. Man, just talk about internet tech, just murdering my momentum, the enthusiasm, everything, man. Just like on the daily, that's what we're talking about. Remember the static video I did, and it's like, hey, we never even got to touch the bottom trend line of the triangle, right? We were getting thwarted right here. Too much demand, as it seems right now, at that May level, May 2018. And so that's it. Never hit it. We could have gone all the way to 96.35 we wanted. Just holding on. You can clearly see on the daily, it definitely looks like here's a peak. They give you discernible bottoms, double bottom-ish. It's not as good looking as this one. This one was beautiful, but this is very possible. Now, where the outcome could be higher prices, where you're confirming a multitude of times a bottom. You're on 480, 240. S&P looking terrible. The whole stock market looks like it's going to melt down tomorrow, which makes sense. I mean, we talked about this late last week. If you have a bad sell-off on a Friday, expect there could be a very, very bad Monday coming. Okay. kept the OLED short going. It's like that in gold. Oh my God, man, it's gonna be, you know, I'm sure everyone's retirement accounts, no matter what, are gonna just be like red, but that's okay. But still, got those couple hedges, would be nice. It's the entire correction consolidation triangle. It's become one, Dylan. Yeah, it has become one, clear as day right here. It's down sloping, but now we're making higher lows. The accumulation is starting to emerge again, which could very well be a good thing, right? You know, is this going to be a huge bullish continuation pattern, or will it be a bearish reversal to the downside? Looking very strong right now at this support. Price action was terrible earlier, but now with that bounce again, the way the week and day closed was great, man. It was stellar. It was like we were looking bad, and then that bullish engulfing candle on the 4 hour on the close was good. 8p. My head is a pixel. There you go, dude. Doesn't seem like the stream's gonna work out the way that I'm getting comments. It's whatever. Thanks for the nearly 400 people watching. Just back after technical issues. What's new, man? How can I even use Bitcoin if the internet doesn't work, man? Get a filter. What? Kanatoma, is it dead and working bad? Is it even streamable? Should I just stop the stream? Kanatoma, make a decision. Let me know, man. I'm ready. I can keep streaming, or I can just stop. But if I stop, I won't see you again until probably tomorrow from a freaking Starbucks or some crap. I don't even know, man. Like, I got no outs till Wednesday because they won't even show up till Wednesday, man. Hazy and blurry. 10,420-ish.
Is that a joint?
Looks like we got that going for us. Kind of tell me I'll wait your decision in the chat. You know, the chat. Ring boy. Oh, it wasn't that group, those people saying that we're going to 2K, a capitulation move very soon, like in 10 seconds 3 weeks ago? I think that was the move. I think it's interactive mediation. Or meditation, sorry, dude. Wow. Ethereum, I think, looks one of the most promising right now for a long. Right, we've already looked at it today. We've already analyzed it multiple times, but people keep asking, what's like better? What's the best? Dude, like a decent amount. I mean, like multiple alts look good, but you know, if multiple ones look good, don't you want the higher liquidity asset? If like you got like ADA and these other ones that are there, but like you were looking for like one with like a higher market cap because it's like more liquidity, less subject to stupid manipulation, right? Even though we know the whole market's pretty illiquid except for Bitcoin, because the Bitcoin dominance is like 70% now. Even with the music, dude, like it's like almost off and still too loud. Let's look at that. Yeah, 71% chat, 71.14%. Are you kidding? Why is it off? Oh, it's not. It's just, there it is, chat. It's continuing to climb too. Wow. I think that's crazy. Please do not advocate for flat earth, all right? This is not a flat earth shield channel. Okay, please just relax. Please don't self-promote either. Self-promotion will lead to you getting hidden eventually. And it's protocol. Don't get mad. It's precedence. It is the way. Don't think we're singling you out because you're self-promoting. Other people that try it get hidden long before you did. All right. Yeah, connect. It's like the connection doesn't even work. I'm on Wi-Fi hotspot right now, or just hotspot Wi-Fi. Yeah, Mark, I like the fundamentals for Bitcoin right now based on all the uncertainty, the fear. Oh my God, dude, Trump, China, S&P topping out later in the year. There's an election next year, recession coming. Oh my God, all these things. And then there's Bitcoin and gold. Gold's killing it. It gapped up today, and it's been doing extremely well. Not Gilroy, dude. Like, if I had made a change to something when I go from internet's working fine to all of a sudden the internet doesn't work well at all, I mean, yeah, I would think about it, but I haven't changed anything at all, man. Nothing. Oh yeah, dude, Eric Coffeen, man, if you're in here, hey, Eric Coffeen got it to me, man. Here it is, man. All right. I was waiting for stream, but clearly things, so my ancient heirloom chest that's been in my family for generations, man, it will now go in the chest. Let's do it, man. Melt it down with all the others.
Bruh.
Save forever. Okay, man. That's it. I'll wash my hands of this. What's up, Kenneth Theory, man? Good to see you, as always. Sorry about the connection problems, man. Oh my God, dude, Frivet Gang is doing an auto-tune song on me. Oh my God. Or like me auto-tune from editing. Wow. It's gonna be weird, he said. I'm kind of excited, but very nervous now. Wow. It's getting better. Nah, dude. It's just going in and out. Good, bad, good, bad. What do you think? Gold and silver market will spike? What do you think? It's already spiked. What are you talking about, Kenneth? It's already over. It's already happened. It gapped up, man. It's like unreal. It's like, this is it with the market open on golds. Your velocity trend, the angle of ascent is out of this world. You had a trend, right? An uptrend. You just broke out of it. You broke out of it here. And then, oh my God, what do we have here, chat? What is this called? Please, someone tell me what this is called. I've talked about it sometimes, not very often. It's a pretty rare pattern. Doesn't come out very often, but what is it, chat? Oh my God. Evolution of a Trader, Thomas Bulkowski. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. It's right there. It's the blue. Okay. I'm waiting on you. This is a trivia question. This is a TA trivia question. It's textbook, man. Bulkowski would literally, he probably saw it. I guarantee you Bulkowski looks at gold and was like, dude, there it is. There's my pattern, man. I'm like, yeah, dude, there is your pattern. Lewis, I don't know, man. There's nothing I can do about it, though. So, I can't randomly make it better. Come on, someone answer. I know it's delayed a little bit, but not that bad. No, there's no Wi-Fi. This is literally one connection. Don't worry about it. I've exhausted everything.
Bueller.
I'm just gonna spam this until someone
Bueller,
answers, or at least attempts to.
Bueller,
Can y'all even hear me?
Bueller.
I can't even believe y'all. I'm not even acting like I'm asking a question about a pattern. Crypto Rello, thanks for the sub, man. Welcome. Oh, well, you know what? I'm not gonna answer them. If we didn't even get someone attempt to answer, clearly no one cares. All right, man. Remember, Bitcoin from its low to high has already retraced like 45% of the way. That's deep. I mean, that's a moderate retrace. That's good enough. Like it can continue on if market participants wanted Bitcoin to continue its rise, its rally, its uptrend, its long-term uptrend. It's retraced deep enough already. Did that twice in July and August, the double bottom, and now it's sprung to the upside and back tested the spring, kind of double bottoming on the spring. Back test. What? One real man.
Bruh.
Mitch loved living and experiencing being inside this Tron crypto game with you and the family. This is what makes you, your stream, your team so special. Yes, we were peaking before the stream crashed, but we were flying with you. That's why we'll come back.
These Brooklininos, man. Mons. For the threes, dudes, and the love and support means everything, dude. Seriously, y'all are awesome, and just thanks for all the words of encouragement. You know, when things are tough. Now, maybe it's not too bad on Bitcoin. I'm just saying, like, the tech kills me sometimes. It's been killing me. So, thank you, man. The live was too much. I did the shout out caffeine like maybe 7 to 10 minutes ago. That's it. Oh God, Ben, I don't know, man. Maybe you did. You have to. Did you send like? There's like 2 things you have to do with XRP. There's like the confirmation tag too, right? I don't know. Maybe you sent the wrong one. If it didn't show up, it should be instant almost. XRP is really fast. I've never had issues if I ever transfer. So yeah, you might be screwed. It's not going to be because it was slow. It was because something happened wrong. Okay, with a number or, you know, something like that, man. So you see it, X, A, B, C, D. The D would be the breakout, man, of the downsloping resistance, man. Crazy, dude. It's freaking crazy. I guess that static video I did 2 days ago aged well. No capo. Wag's only... It's gone for a second. It'll be back. Dude, seriously. Ooh, Just Buy Bitcoin. Thanks for the sub, man. Nice name. Kingsman. Coincidence? Maybe. Human from Earth, but... it's no coincidence gold's up because of that. And so maybe Bitcoin's acting the same way. I mean, Bitcoin's been running all year at way outperforming the S&P 500. Marco Rivera's in the house, man. He has physical gold and silver. Love it. Hey, you don't have to. You can have physical gold and virtual real gold. Like, not, I'm talking about like actual gold, like ETF or something. I mean, if it's just been sitting in your portfolio since we identified that insanely large 2013 to 2019 complex slanted inverse head and shoulders pattern. Hey, you're living large, dude. It's like up so much. And we've been talking about gold for so long, man. And it's like central banks bought up $155 billion worth of gold in the past 6 years. Not a reason. Another reason fundamentally to get into gold. I'll tell you, man. They only bought up in the past 6 years, $10 billion worth of bonds. Wow. Think about it. Just crash the economy, own the thing, own golds, and have a reset. Have a hard reset on your economy, dude, or something, right? In the currencies. It's genius. Very, very nice, man. So remember, I mean, it's over, dude. Like, I don't tell you, we hit PCZ and could keep going, man. I mean, this pattern, it did pull back. It has pulled. Like, if you look at the 60 minutes, already done. It's pulled back. I mean, how far is the retrace at this point? Look, man, it could just continue on 1 hour of indecision, and now it's just like it broke the downsloping resistance. It's holding it. How far was that retrace from the low point to the pattern to the high point? You retrace 23% of the way. So you may never even get down to 10.3, depending on how Bitcoin's gonna, act with the macro. I would figure Bitcoin would just keep rising with all the crazy stuff going on in China. I'm talking about the Chinese people. Like, their market is screwed. Their whole system is screwed. Like, everything's gonna fall apart eventually. Their government's gonna do everything they can, but they've just, like, they're getting in this real bad, like, 1929 thing.